Hello, friends. Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. And normally I don't just do an off video, but here I am this morning. So I have a favorite breakfast that I eat all the time and I love it. It's packed with vegetables and it's pretty quick to make. And that's eggs and vegetables. So the first thing that we're going to do is get a cup of mixed vegetables. Make sure they're thawed. Okay, first we have to turn on the stove. Oil your pan, just like 2 squirts, not a lot, okay? And we're gonna fry these up just a little, just get them hot. Mine are still a little bit cold. All right, so while those are cooking, 2 eggs. I get 2 eggs. And then I go in with just a little bit of garlic. I love onion powder. You could put your favorite stuff in these eggs, okay? My favorite, table blend, Mrs. Dash. Okay, and then here we go. Now put your eggs to the side. And we're going to get these heated up and cooked. If you like onion, throw in onion. I love onion. Cooked, raw, in the powder. It really doesn't matter. Onion rings, fried onions. Okay, all my vegetables are heated. Now we're going to take those 2 eggs and just pour them in. We're going to cook our eggs in with the vegetables. Okay, now I have a half a slice of cheese. We're going to put that in there too. Wait for the cheese to melt. If you like pepper, add pepper. Okay, friends, and here you go. But here, my favorite part, Sriracha. I love Sriracha. And this is a pretty quick, easy, get your vegetables in kind of day. Okay, you don't have to have this just for breakfast. I mean, geez, you could honestly have it any time of the day. Bon appetit. Friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like more budget-friendly meals like this, please subscribe. Most of all, friends, please keep cooking, and I love you all.